Yeah,
Hello.
it's my Thai wife.
Yes.
Say hello.
Hello.
Hello,
Wait.
look at the camera. Yep. She's eating chicken wings.
Chicken small wing.
Yeah, but
ไม่เคยกินเหรอ
she's eating the very end of the flapper.
ฝรั่งกิน
And that's one thing we don't eat in America, I don't think. When you go to BW3s, you don't get this part. But there's so much meat on it, and
Yeah.
that's her favorite part of it. I don't
อ
understand
ร่อย
it. I'm not Thai.
อร่อยมาก
See, she's Arroy. That means she loves it.
Yes don't throw this
Don't throw
Out.
this away. No, don't do it.
Yes this is the best of chicken wings the best part of chicken wing look
Yeah, Miller Lite helps too.
look how it
Best part chicken wing.
yeah you have to
Look at it. You have to
bite
bite it. You have to bite
Bite
it.
it. and
Then what do you do?
see you can find this meat
For non-alcoholics.
no
It's okay.
no that is
Oh, get out
nothing.
of here. Sorry.
yeah
Look at her. Man, she's eating scraps. We Americans take that for granted. So
ฝรั่งไม่รู้การกิน
when you kill it and grill it, eat it all.
yes
That's Bunam 1793 out.